Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hello, little learners. Today, we are going to learn the alphabets from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's start our fun ABC adventure. A is for apple. Apple is red and juicy. B is for bee. Bee loves flowers and makes yummy honey. C is for cake. Cake is very sweet and yummy. D is for dog. Dog loves to play. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swims in the water. G for girl. Girl is smart and sweet. H is for hat, put it on your head. I is for ice cream, so yummy and cold. J is for juice, fresh and sweet. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion, king of the jungle. M for mango. Mango is sweet and yummy. N is for nest, birds live in a nest. O is for orange, round and tangy. P is for panda, cute and cuddly. Q is for queen, she wears a crown. R is for rainbow, full of colors. S is for sun, bright and warm. T is for tiger, strong and fast. U is for umbrella, keeps you dry in the rain. V is for van, let's go for a ride. W is for watch, tick-tock, time to learn. X is for xylophone, plays lovely music. Y is for yak, lives in cold mountains. Z is for zebra, black and white stripes. Wow, you did it! You learned all the letters from A to Z. Great job, kids! Keep practicing your ABCs every day with Quick Learn with YuviSharma. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos.